Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update 3ds Max. All right, so first up, go ahead and find on your search bar, Access. Okay, we have here Autodesk Access. It was once called Autodesk Desktop. Okay, you can go ahead and click on it, and all of the available updates will be listed in here. Let's say you have here all updates from the past 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, all updates. Okay, you can just go ahead and click on Update right here. If you have multiple updates needed, well, you can just go ahead and click on it one by one. Wait for it to process, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Another option, if you want to, you could go ahead over to your favorite browser, manage.autodesk.com/products/updates. Okay, hit on enter again, manage.autodesk.com/products/updates, and just log in with your account. And then here you can go ahead over to updates, okay, and find maybe 3ds Max or just a 3ds. But as you can see here, we have an available security fix. Now, this one depends on your specific account, okay? Some accounts needs multiple updates and some accounts just need one. That's just how to update 3ds Max. If you want a custom install, you have here custom install, okay? You could go ahead and create your own package, just like so. Maybe 3ds Max, select the version right here. You have here the 3ds Max 2027 latest version or other later versions, okay? So I use 2026 version. I could go ahead and download 3ds Max latest one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on select or choose latest right here, okay? Add in some extensions if you want to, just like these ones for Arnold Ray Tracing Renderer. If you want this one, by all means select it, okay? And then once that's done, just click on next. I agree right here and hit on download, and it will automatically download the latest version for you. As you can see here, it's now creating the installer. And just like how you install it with the other versions, all you got to do is just click on it and follow the simple prompts, okay? So I'm just going to close Autodesk right here in the background and just wait for the installer creation. And after that, all you got to do is just install it. And that is it. That is how you update 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.